Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with a video. I haven't been crafting all that much, and today I have a day off. Um, so I thought I'd come on and share some happy mail that I received. Um, and I wasn't expecting. So the first one comes from Enos. I joined her, was it her birthday challenge? And she sent me an adorable summer card. And it just says, just because. So thank you, Enos. That is so sweet. See, it says paper crafting with Enos. And I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. She does a lot of challenges and swaps, and she always creates. So she says, "Hi Tereese, summer. Thinking of you and hoping you have a beautiful summer. Enos and Kiki." Thank you, Enos. Oh my gosh! And then she gave me some embellishments. How cute are these pink embellies and these what do you call these cameras? Polaroid cameras. Love them. And I think they're pop dot too. Yeah, they're pop dot. So what a sweet surprise from Enos. Thank you. And then my second package, I've already opened it because my good friend Judy Evans Parker here on YouTube, you may have seen her on just recently. She just posted a video. She used to do prayer videos. Um, and I'm hoping we can get her back on doing prayer videos again. I'm trying to help her with her computer and trying to get those videos up or trying to go live on YouTube. Um, and I just haven't had a chance to really sit down with her because I've been working so much. So she sent me some goodies and let me share. Um, she always sends me these girl stamps. Like this one's Little Darlings rubber stamps, and this says Winter Fun. How cute is she? I need to color more, and it just soothes me. And this is a really nice rubber stamp. It's pretty big too. I think it's, what is it? It's about 3 inches, maybe 3¼ inches tall. Or, well, she's not that big. She's about 3 inches, but yeah, and she's about 3 inches wide. So this would be good on a 3x3. Oh, I'm not even sharing. So thank you, Judy. So she sent me that one, and then she sent me this winter warmth. And how cute is that? Look at her hair. Oh my gosh, I can never color like that. Maybe one day, but I don't know. That's beautiful. Um, so she's a good size too. And then lastly, she gave me this. Well, not lastly. This is just the stamps. Let It Snow. Look at the little teddy bears. Oh, I'm a big teddy bear. I love teddy bears. Love them. Okay, and then in the package, she knows that I love Paris, traveling and all that, and she gave me some of these clips. I think this is from Michael's, yeah, back in the day when they had good stuff. Sorry. I mean, when things were cheaper. Yeah. Thank you, Judy. I love that. And then this is an oldie. It's Seven Gypsies. I think it's called Princesca tags. And it has ribbon and some tags that's glittered. Oh, that's really cool. So she gave me that. And then she also gave me, She also gave me the Seven Gypsies. I think it's a book cover. And of course it's a Patty, so I love that. And then with that journal cover, she gave me some of the journal pages. Oh my God, I love these. I love these. And then she gave me a map of France. How awesome is that? What are you trying to say, Judy? You're trying to make me do a journal? She's going to get me to do one. I know it. Isn't this awesome? I love this. My husband and I went to France for our honeymoon 20-something years ago. So this would be awesome. Thank you, Judy. Oh, I love that. I love maps. And that is perfect. Then she gave me some of these. Isn't that pretty? It's gorgeous. You can see the foiling on it. I think these are note cards. Yeah. Punch Studio. Maybe this is from, did you get this from Tuesday morning back in the day? I love these. Oh my gosh, that would be good in a journal. I think she's hinting for me to make a journal. And then she gave me some vintage trinkets. They're like little pins. There's a full, the Eiffel Tower, a girl, some wine, a wine glass. So cute. Okay, and then she gave me more. This is definitely either from Michael's or, oh God, Blue Moon. No, it's Blue Moon beads, but Michael's used to carry these charms. I love this. Love those. And then she gave me more. This is like a bracelet. I think it's a bracelet. Charms to your bangle. So this is the, I wear bracelets like this with charms on it. So thank you, Judy. I love the Eiffel Tower. And I love these. And I think this is a postcard. How cute. Yeah, and I think that was it. But that's a lot coming from Judy. So I thank you, Judy, for the wonderful goodies. Thank you, Enos, for the lovely card and a surprise just because I love that. Thank you, ladies. Have a great week, everyone. And I hope to be back with another artisan journal prompt and deck the year. So I'll see you guys then. Bye, everyone.